Hey, little artists! Today, we're going to draw something super cool small. Draw a square for the main part, keep it simple. Let's kick things off with our cute little house. Then, add a triangle on top for the roof. Grab your pencils, crayons, or markers, and let's make something amazing together. Oh, and don't forget a tiny chimney blowing out a fluffy, swirly cloud of smoke. Sketch a rectangle for the door and a circle for the doorknob. For the window, start with a circle and then draw a cross. Next to our house, let's draw a large, welcoming tree. Begin with a sturdy, curvy trunk. Trees like to twist and turn. For the leaves, draw a fluffy cloud shape on top. Or maybe your tree has lots of little branches with cheerful leaves swaying in the breeze. Want to add a touch of magic? Ta-da! Our drawing is complete now. Let's make it vibrant with colors. First, let's color the window frames orange. Such a fun, warm touch like little bursts of sunset. Excited? I'm already loving your color choices. Let's bring this cheerful scene to life together. Now, let's paint the front of the house. With sunny yellow, it'll look like it's glowing with joy. Remember, this is your house, so make it unique. Just look at your masterpiece. Chimney and door, you've chosen blue. Perfect. A serene, sky blue door gives it a peaceful home vibe. Oh, and if you want, add a tiny white dot on the door for a sparkling effect. Gets a bold, cheerful red. What a cozy combination! Now, our beautiful tree. The trunk should be a rich, woody brown. Use light strokes to show the texture of the bark. And for the leafy top, vibrant green. Mix light and dark greens for a lively look. The red roof, yellow walls, blue door, and green leafy tree. It's absolutely perfect. You're such a talented artist. Shall we add our names at the bottom? Now, hang it up where everyone can admire it. High five! Keep coloring the world with your imagination. See you later, superstar.